Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 4 school teaching job vacancies in UAE. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put ipsjumeirah.com. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page Al Etiqad Private School Jumeirah. In this main page menu available. In this menu one of the option careers. If you click this link careers you can get what are the teaching job vacancies in Al Etiqad Private School Jumeirah. So here they are given join our team. So Al Etiqad Private School Jumeirah is aggregated private school. They are seeking following vacancies. That means they are seeking teaching vacancies for September 2021. Elementary homeroom teacher, PE teacher, literacy intervention specialist, Islamic teacher, librarian, school counselor, English teacher, physics teacher, ICT teacher, assistant elementary school principal, kindergarten teacher assistant, elementary teacher assistant, e-learning assessment administrator. So these are the vacancies for September 2021. So applicant must be native English speaker or must be proficient and have excellent command of the English language. Possess a certified teaching qualification such as bachelor or master in education or equivalent. So experience teaching in American curriculum with minimum 2 years of experience. So there are everything they are given here itself. So competitive remuneration is offered for the successful candidate. So if you are interested and enthusiastic about the job vacancies, please forward your CV along with the references to careers at ipsjumeirah.com. Please ensure to write on the subject of your email the name of the role you wish to be considered for. So please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contact. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So everything they are clearly mentioned here itself. Not only native English speaker must be proficient and have excellent command of English language. Teachers also you can apply. So all the things are given here itself. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies and about school, you can check it in the menu itself. You can get it from everything from here. So this is the way you have to apply Al Etiqad Private School Jumeirah. The second one is you can enter in the URL www.jess.sch.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page JESS Dubai. So here they are having few vacancies. So if you select in the menu working at JES, so if you click this link vacancies, you can get what are the job vacancies for JES Dubai. So here they are given current vacancies: head of department, secondary Arabic A, university guidance counselor, head of Islamic education, key stage 2 class teacher. So these are the vacancies for JES Jumeirah. So if you are interested in these job vacancies, you can submit an application form along with your curriculum vitae and letter of application via email recruitment@jess.sch.ae. So here they are given how to apply. Please ensure the subject field of your email includes the job title of the vacancy you are applying for to improve our shifting process. Only completed application will be considered. So if you are interested in these job vacancies, you can submit your application form here. So if you click this link application form, you can get this application form should take approximately 15 minutes to complete. Personal details, higher education, teaching qualification, professional courses, present employment and previous employment, summarize any interest or personal significant achievement, health and absence from work, referees. Finally, you can give your declaration. So there are only 10 sections this application form. You will require to send a letter of application, the filled application form and up-to-date CV. Please ensure you have all documents ready to begin this process. So once you have completed all those things, please email this completed application form, CV and letter of application for the position recruitment@jess.sch.ae. So here everything they are clearly mentioned. If you want to know more details about these vacancies, for example, if you want more details about the head of Islamic education, you can click here. So they are mentioned here. They are seeking full-time position for head of Islamic education, September 2021. The successful applicant will have applicant should demonstrate the ability to commit to the vision and development of the Islamic department. So all the things are there mentioned here. Applicant must complete the JESS application form and send their CV and letter of application to Mr. Asha A. Firth, Head Teacher, Jumeirah English Speaking School. The closing date of application is Wednesday, 28th April 2021. So early applicant may be asked to interview before the closing date. So all the things are there mentioned here. So otherwise, if you want key stage 2 class teacher, you can click here. So this is the closing date of application, Thursday 29th April 2021. So interview starting week 2nd May 2021. So early applicants are recommended, and as we will conduct early interviews if a suitable candidate applied. So everything they are clearly mentioned here itself. So you can check it in the menu itself, everything. The third one is you can enter in the URL www.safabritishschool.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page. In this main page, menu available, one of the option careers. If you click this link career, you can get recruitment at Safa. If you click this link, what are the job openings for Safa British School? So here they are given as a teacher of Safa British School, what they can expect. Successful applicant will have a degree and excellent subject knowledge, outstanding learning and teaching, commitment of unlocking every child potential. So these are the things they are expecting from candidate, what they offer. So here they are given what are the remuneration package they will include. So competitive tax-free salary, housing allowance, free schooling up to 2 places, private medical insurance, annual airfare, end of service, gratuity. So all teacher must hold teaching qualification from UK University. Arabic teacher must be qualified teacher with Arabic degree and qualified teacher status. All candidates must have attested educational and teaching qualification. So everything they are mentioned here itself. So what are the job openings? If you click this link job openings, you can get secondary learning support assistant, EFS teacher, primary teacher. So these are the vacancies. For example, if you wish to apply secondary learning support assistant, you can click this link more details. If you click this link more detail, you can get what are the requirement. So here they are mentioned here itself. They are seeking the candidate September 2021. So what are the requirement here? Currently in UAE, own visa, experience in a British curriculum or international school setting, experience in a secondary school, high level of speaking English, writing. So these are the things they are required from the candidate. So what are the preferred? Experience with students of determination, delivering interventions, training and qualification. So these are the things. So if you are interested in these job vacancies, you can submit this online application form. Your red color asterisks are mandatory. So here apply for this position, your full name, email ID, phone number, cover letter. Then you can finally upload your CV. Then you can submit your application. Once you have submit this application, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So this is the way you have to apply Safa British School. So if you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can check it in the menu. You can get it from here. The fourth one is you can enter in the URL www.deltasch.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, Delta English School. In this school, one of the option in top of the menu, you can click this employment. If you click this link employment, you can get what are the position opening for Delta School. So these are the vacancies: mathematics teacher, social studies, kindergarten, English, language teacher, Hindi, Urdu and Tamil, physics teacher, accountancy, Arabic, Islamic studies, school nurse, music teacher, special education, librarian. So these are the vacancies for Delta English School. If you are interested in these job vacancies, you can click the particular subject. For example, mathematics teacher if you click this link, you can get what is the qualification for mathematics teacher, bachelor degree or master degree. B.Ed is mandatory. Experience minimum 3 years experience in the subject related field. Other requirement equalized certificate or Ministry of Education approval. How to apply? They are given here. Email CV with a photo and relevant proof of qualification and experience to DES Career. If you click this link, you can get your email page. In this page, you can send all the details to careers@deltasch.com. So this is the way you have to send your job application. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, job description, qualification, etc. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So all the jobs direct link available in the description. You can use the link and apply as per the video instruction. Thanks for watching. Thank you.